Happy days, my friends. Dan the DIY Man is here. Today we're looking at Walnut by Inawera. Stick around, my friends. Stick around. Okay, here we go. I started it at 3%. Vaped it. Okay. I get the nut, but it's a light nut. It's not a real earthy, heavy tasting nut. As a matter of fact, it's just barely there. And then on the back end, I'm getting a bittersweetness or a sweet bitterness, which I'm pretty sure will dissipate or disappear completely in a recipe. I do have a recipe made up, which I'll taste in a minute. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got marshmallow and a cream in here. That's the recipe I made up, because I already have marshmallow steeped and ready. I have some creams steeped and ready. I just mixed them together. Excuse me, shook it up and gave it a day to mix well, even though I think just a couple hours work too. Whew. Wow, it's actually pretty good. So anyway, let's get back to just the walnut at 4%. On the inhale, you get a light walnut flavor. On the exhale, you're getting a more prevalent bittersweetness. I can think it's more sweet than it is bitter, but it's also dry. Will work in any recipe you want to put nuts in. Now, okay, the marshmallow and the cream knocks that bitterness down and adds sweetness, even more sweetness to the mix. The sweetness is weird because it's also bitter, and it's just, I don't particularly like that part about it, but it disappears in a recipe, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, walnut, it's a good nut for any recipe you like your nuts in. That sounded a little weird, but this is Dan the Man signing out, my friends. Go ahead, go pick you up some walnut. I'll leave a link to Inawera's website and a couple other websites that carry Inawera. It's Dan the Man signing out. Peace.